Alrighty, folks, got me some parts here from LMC Truck. Yes, so I went with some new taillight lenses for the back down here. It's my oldie, it's a little torn up. So I got the gaskets, new lenses, like brandy new, quite nice. I don't need the housing, so I just went that cheap route. Cheaper. I got mirrors. My mirrors were quite banged up. I went with the LMC, the stainless steel, quite nicely wrapped. Comes with a new gasket for against the door. I'm hoping the stainless steel is up to the quality of, there's cheaper ones on eBay, but I was like, I'll go with a known company. I don't know. Hopefully they're just not all the same. They're made in Taiwan, like everything. This is a company, Depot Auto Lamp. I don't know about them. No idea, but they look nice and clean and shiny. That's all that matters to me. What else? Oh, and I got the markers. Markers for the badge fenders up front. All with the chrome trim. I had chrome trim from the get-go. I'll throw lenses on. I'll show you the difference between a factory one. This is not a factory, is it? No. This has been replaced. But I think the OEM is that side. I'll show you that when I get it out. These are easy enough to do. People, they're just 4 Phillips screws. Even came with a new gasket. Well, they can go, I actually ordered it separate. But they actually give you the entire foam. Think of the hoarding and other uses I can do with that. Fantastic. My reputation precedes me. Yeah, this thing's hard as a rock. I did paint this one day, but my prep work was not up to par apparently, so it is showing its age. But that's just gonna sit in there. And it looks like, that's where that goes. It's got a little tab there. Yada, yada, yada. I should be repainting this, but yeah, I'm not really set up today to do that, so we'll do that another day. This is fitting. This is way too big, like any gasket you ever get. Now there we go, that should be good. All right, which one is the left? Which one is the right? That looks like an RL. We want an L. And I just polished up the heads on these. They had some paint on them, overspray. But you know what I used? Look at this. It's like a floor pad. Warehouse where I was working, they were throwing this out. Like, you kidding me? This is at least 18,000 uses for this. Throw this out. What's wrong with America? I don't remember this side fitting so well. I think that's why the chrome got ripped off, but I think I had some, it was bent up where this mounts. It was a little tweaked, so let's see how good I can get this to mount where it's flush here. Doesn't look bad. I think once I screw it in, it'll take. Let's see what we can do. Got this on the lowest setting. I don't want to be cracking plastic. Hopefully these shorter screws are the right. I think they're the ones that fit. Yeah, they don't need to be that long. From the looks of it. All right, I'm gonna do that by hand. If I had a screwdriver out here, which I don't think I do. Talk about planning ahead. I think this one wants to grab. And that was the whole issue on this side. Is that one stripped? Oh, for God's sakes. And that's probably why this one tore. Why would it be this easy? stripped? Can't tell. It's tightening. Let me play with this. I have to take that off and see what's going on. Yeah, this one's all bagged out. See that? Son of a... What I'm going to do is put my good friend 2-part epoxy in there, I think, and just we'll tap it that way. It's my good buddy JB Weld, not a sponsor, just a fan. 2-part plastic epoxy. It apparently has stuck. What do we do? This side? Is that what I did? This always comes out, yeah, black. Never comes out even. It's supposed to come out even. And that might be enough. Let me just put that back on. And our little stirrer. Mix it up. This is way too much, but that's fine. What was it, my top hole? I don't even remember. Jeez, short-term memory. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna fill that hole. That should be fine. Just keep shoving it in there. That's gonna be my method. Oh, it was a Harley with a full-blown stereo system. Yeah, this stuff's great. And then you just can either drill it or just use that self-tapper. Screw will go right in there to complete this job. Alright, probably wouldn't hurt to just dab some in all these so that gives it something to bite. Actually, I don't know. My 2 cents. Alright. We'll let that set and do its thing, and we'll do the other side. All right, you can see this side is quite faded. That's, I'll tell you right now, that's original. That is why, and you can see this reflector is a little different from this. The new ones are narrow. This is an OEM, it has this jut out, and you know, if you're an OEM geek like me, it's kind of cool to have that stuff. I'm actually going to try and polish this. I've asked a ton of people. I've looked for, I haven't seen any videos, but can you make this as clear as that by polishing it? I would think, right? You can do that with metal or plastic headlights, right? So it's gonna be my little, someday I'll do a video on that, get into some polishing. They both say right hand top. Some of these, this is a 73, that's a 73. Yeah, I don't know the numbers. I wonder if this was separate. You could buy this separate back in the day. It has another number there. It doesn't appear. What's it look like from behind? Yeah, it's just a little different molding, casting. Pretty sure, 99% sure this is an original. That's, you know, when I go to truck shows and stuff, I look at those reflectors. So, but not a lot of people keep the originals. They just get these replacements because they're so cheap. Dime a dozen. So, and they look pretty good. So, aight. Final step is ceramic coat, of course. Right? All that nice shiny plastic. Let's protect it. Give it some help it fending off UV rays and car washes and acid rain and yada yada yada. I mean, it just keeps getting better and better. The center pops out. I mean, you could put this on a drill. It's already made for it. I mean, come on, people. Don't go to the store and buy things. So basically this one, she don't fit. You know why? And this is an aftermarket fender. So I have to do some modifying. Let's see, these are the ones that were here. So this one was on that side. It's funny, it says right hand rear top, left hand front. So did they have markers orange in the back? What year would that be? Or it fits like a step side. So this is the one that was over there. Let's see what shape is different. Something's going on. Well, there it is. There. This one does not have a gasket. It's just plastic. That's plastic too. But I think that's just a hard rubber. This is rubber. Well, it's plastic too. All right, so this had plastic. Should fit. Unless there's something really off about it. I'm just getting crazy technical here. Just slap them on, it'll be fine. Just more for the do-it-yourself guy, you know? Is it gonna fit? Be prepared, nothing ever fits right. It looks better. It's just the chrome sticking out. Let's look at the other side. All right, we should be all dry over here now. That's gonna be the angle. Well, it feels pretty good. Let's just try and do that up here. It's kind of sticky still, but I guess that's all right. Yeah. It'll act like a glue, maybe? If anything. I should let it harden, but nah. Let's just do it. We'll do that one last. Ah! Scratch it all up. There you go, Mike. Yeah, nice brand new lens, all destroyed. Yep. And this will go there. Is that one going? Going at an angle. Yep, that looks about wrong. Let's get you going. Why aren't you sitting? Oh, because that bolt's in the way. Oh, okay. There we go. Let's start over. There, that goes like this. This angle's all wrong. This camera's in the way. Okay, there we go. That's it. Much better. Body line looks decent, right? Chrome sticks out a little bit. And there you go. Boom goes the dynamite.